Welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to be showing you how to drift like a pro. Drifting is a high-speed driving technique that requires skill and precision, and it's a lot of fun. But before you start drifting, it's important to understand the basics and practice them in a safe environment. So let's get started. Step 1. Understand the basics of drifting. The first step in learning how to drift is to understand the basics of the technique. Drifting is all about losing traction in the rear wheels and controlling the slide. To initiate a drift, you need to oversteer, which is when the rear wheels lose traction and the car begins to slide. This can be done by braking, accelerating, or a combination of both. Step 2. Practice in a safe environment. Before you take your car out on the road and start drifting, it's important to practice in a safe environment. A controlled environment, such as a racetrack or an empty parking lot, is the best place to practice. It's important to have a good understanding of the basics of drifting before you try it on the road. Step 3. Understand the importance of speed and timing. Speed and timing are crucial when it comes to drifting. To initiate a drift, you need to be going fast enough to lose traction in the rear wheels, but not so fast that you can't control the slide. And timing is everything when it comes to drifting. You need to know when to brake, when to accelerate, and when to steer. Step 4. Practice, practice, practice. The key to becoming a pro drifter is practice. The more you practice, the better you will become. Start with the basics and work your way up. Drifting is all about feel and control, and the only way to get that feel and control is by practicing. Remember, drifting is a high-speed driving technique that requires skill and precision, and it's important to practice in a safe environment. Note, keep in mind that drifting is a dangerous activity and should always be done in a controlled and safe environment. It's important to follow the laws and regulations of your area. Always wear a seatbelt, helmet, and other necessary safety gear. And that's it for our video on how to drift like a pro. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more fun and educational videos like this one. Thanks for watching.